Welcome to Andy's Garage. I'm Andy Phillips. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the air filter on a Nissan Quest. Now this particular one here is a 2008 Nissan Quest. Let's go ahead and get started. So now with the hood open, we're looking in here. Your air filter is located here on the right. Here's your battery. To the right of it here, here's your intake. Your air filter canister is right here. So it's very easy to do. You have two clips, one here and one here that will pop open. And then you have these little slots right here. So we're going to have to kind of lift it on this end and push out to get it out. But then once you open it up, the air filter's under there. You can just swap it out. Simple as that. So let me show you what's needed to be able to do this, and we'll go ahead and swap it out. Here's the filter that I got. I just get a Super Tech, but if you're getting the Super Tech, you want to make sure it's the number 2750, the air filter for the Nissan. On the back, it also lists what the other ones are here. Let me get a close-up. So you have the Fram number, the K&N, and then the STP all listed right here as well. So now that we've gone over that, and like I said, you can buy these anywhere. This one here I just got at Walmart because it's a Super Tech, but if you want to get the other ones, you can also get them at Walmart or automotive stores. But let's take the canister, open it up, and then swap it out, and then that'll wrap up this video. We'll start by popping these clips. So we'll pop that one, come here to this one, pop that off. And then as we already mentioned, you have one little clip there, one there, and then I believe there's one up here, if I can get a shot of it. There's one back there. You might be able to catch a glimpse of it up there. But what you're going to do is basically you have a little bit of a hook there. So we're going to have to raise this and then pull it forward to get it off. So pull it up on this side. It can be a little tricky in here. Yeah, you gotta work it. There we go. Pull it off like that. And then we can lift it out of the way like that. And then now we can slide it out. Coming in here, you can get a better shot of it. This is our filter, so you can just reach down, lift that up, pull that out, and we'll take a look at it, and I'll show you how it looks compared to the new one. We'll slide that out, set it off to the side here. But you can see there's also some dirt and debris that gets in there. It's a good idea to clean that out as well. So I'm going to get my shop vac. We're going to clean that out. And then also down in here as well, you can see some stuff. We're going to clean all that out before we put the new filter in there. All right. All the debris and junk has been cleaned out of there, so now it's good. Let's take a look. We're going to look at the new air filter compared to the old one and then put it in. Open this up. This is the one that came out. Here's our new one. But if we look on this side compared to this, and I'll get a close-up, this one's pretty dirty, has debris and junk, and this one's obviously not. But let me get a close-up so you can see it. And just looking in here, we can see you can see how dirty it is in there compared to obviously the new one. That's all nice and clean. Especially here, you can see it. And this kind of dirt and debris may not look like a lot, but that'll obstruct it because this is your air intake coming in. So you want to change these out usually around about 30,000 miles as part of your routine maintenance, you want to swap out your air filters. So let's put this one in, and then we'll put the canister back together and wrap up this video. Bringing our new one in, it'll slide in just like the old one came out. We'll drop it in like this. And that's it. It'll lock in like that. And you want to make sure that it's nice and snug all around. There we go. Just kind of make sure everything is good. And then once we have that in place, we can bring the canister back down. Now remember, we do have these little hooks here that have to be lined up under the little rings. So we'll tip them in, lock them in, and then come down and then put the two clips here on this side. Bring it in like this. And we're going to press down while feeding it underneath. Anyway, let me get the camera in here and I'll show you close up as we lock them in. So as we bring them in, we're going to want to, you can see that's the edge right there of the filter. We don't want to damage that. We want to bring this in like this and then push it down to get it underneath these tabs right here. These can be a little tricky to get in, and I found if you take a flathead screwdriver, just push down on them to get them under the clip. That helps because once the filter's in place, that's really snug and it's hard to get it in. And then once it's in, then you can just lock it in like that. And then just, there we go. Just got to work it while raising this side up just a little bit. And then as needed, we'll take this. There we go. All right, the clips are in. And then now we can put this side down here and then raise these little clips here. Got that one. Bring this one here up. See if you can see it. You want to push it down snug. Let's see if I can get a shot. There we go. So we have that clip on, that one, and then we've got these tabs here, and then there's one back here, all clipped through. So this is now nice and tight. All right. And then we'll get rid of this old dirty one. But that wraps up this video. Quick video, how to replace the air filter on a Nissan Quest. As mentioned at the beginning, it's a 2008. Simple, just want to make sure that you get the correct filters, as we mentioned already, Super Tech, and then also Fram and all the other ones here on the back. And that's it. So that takes care of that. We can then close this. And we're finished. So that wraps up this video on how to replace the air filter on a Nissan Quest. As mentioned already, it's a 2008 model. But I hope that the video was informative for you and helped you out with anything you're working on with your air filter and your Nissan Quest. Please send me any questions and comments. I would love to hear from you. And I'll also have links down in the description to other videos that I've done pertaining to this vehicle that might be helpful for you. So please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.